rest in peace. Now, moving on, in a bid to have justice delivered to all Kenyans, the judiciary has laid down plans to have every county with a low number of magistrates enhanced. Now, the judiciary has enlisted 3 new magistrates which will sit at Makindu Law Courts starting today to help the court deal with a backlog of more than 200 defilement cases. Let's take a look at this story by Chris Sambu.
In the recent past, the judiciary has faced a hard task to have justice delivered to all Kenyans. In 2 or 3 days, a child in Makueni County is defiled, leading to a rise in the number of cases piled up in the Makindu Law Courts. In Kibwezi and Zawi, the number of defilement cases reported is alarming, with the unsolved ranging to more than 200. In the renewed efforts by the judiciary to have the delayed cases reduced, 3 magistrates have been enlisted to sit at the Makindu Law Courts. Speaking at the time of receiving the magistrates, Makueni County Commissioner Mohamed Maalim warned those that have been derailing judicial process, saying that they will not be spared. Judge Hedwig Ogundi said the number of cases were alarming, as nearly in 2 or 3 days, a child is defiled, saying that at times witnesses fail to speak the truth, thus making court cases difficult to proceed.
Wazazi wengi hata nyinyi hamutusaidii. Unaleta kesi kwa polisi wakati mtoto ameshika mimba ya mwezi kadhaa. Na hiyo itabidi ifanye nini? Itabidi tuongojee mpaka huyu mtoto azae, sijui mambo ya DNA, sijui nini. But why can't we report this incident immediately they happen? Na usijaribu kuosha mtoto ati unaharibu hiyo maneno. Chembe hiyo ndio itatusaidia kupata ushahidi.
Monica Wenga from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution said if a matter takes long to be concluded, they end up losing a good case, thus justice denied.
If a matter drags, then it denies a victim and the family of a victim or a complainant an opportunity to get closure in the matter. Besides that, they lose hope when the matter drags on in court. They lose hope, and at the end of it all, we lose a good case that would otherwise have resulted in a different outcome.
Even as the judiciary seeks to have the cases solved, Makueni County Commissioner Mohamed Maalim and Makueni Woman Representative Rose Museo have been holding joint barazas across the county to recall chiefs, the assistants and the police on combating sexual offences. Chris Sambu, KUTV.